Glad to meet me. I think you should. I mean, I really think you should.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. We're back with FIFA Mobile. I don't have that many coins because when you sell players you get taxed, and I forgot about that when I sell, but I still have a lot of coins. So today we're going to be doing a huge pack opening, as you saw in the title. I'm going to be showing you my team. So what's going to happen is that I'm going to like this is my team right now. It's really bad. Only one gold. So I'm going to be opening a lot of packs and see how good I can make my team. And the rest of the players I'm going to sell. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy 2 inform packs, 1 all-pro pack, and then a bunch of FIFA mobile packs. So let's start with the 2 inform packs. Alright. Oh, dang it, not even 1 elite? Seriously? Alright, these guys is all updated. Let's buy a second inform. And again, no elites. It says 1 gold or better inform player, and then 5 gold or better. They're all gold or better. Alright, let's buy an all pro pack. And if you guys don't want to watch the whole video, I'm gonna be put a description below what times I have really good pack openings. This is bad too. Let's open another one of these. Nobody good. Update team. Alright, now I'm just gonna buy a bunch of FIFA mobile packs. Come on, how long is it gonna take for us to get an elite? This is just showing you how long it takes to get elites in packs. Pack luck is not good in FIFA. Not even a single person that could update my team there. Alright. Oh! I didn't even see him! Woohoo! Dimitri Payet! Oh my god! Alright, let's keep going with this. 1 elite so far. Okay. Down to 648. I'm gonna buy another all pro pack. See if we can get an elite. Not a single elite. Alright, let's just go back to FIFA mobile packs. Alright. Let's go. One guy. Now we're not going to be updating our team as often. A team crest. That's wonderful. I want players. Alright, we're going to spend 60,000 on an inform. Hey, that's cool. 78 right wing. Oh, come on. Not an elite in there either. FIFA mobile pack. Come on. Seriously, this is awful. Let's open an all pro pack. Oh my god. Pack luck is so bad. Only 1 elite so far. Hey, Munir, he's cool. Barca player. Come on, elites. Should I buy Inform? Yeah, let's do it. Why not? Inform. Nope. That was awful. Alright, let's keep doing FIFA mobile packs then. No, come on. Alright, my last All-Pro pack. This better have an elite in it. And nope, it doesn't. Back to FIFA mobile packs. Money's running out. Money's running out. Nope, nobody. This is awful. This is so bad. I'm going to buy one last Inform pack. And then I'm not going to have enough money to buy anything else. This is the second time I got this guy, Antonio. Right wing back. Seriously? Alright. Now, I can buy 2 of FIFA mobile packs with my tokens. A Russia Cup. Seriously? Last one. Oh my god. And should I buy beginner packs? No. Alright, let's check out our team. Alright, so we have 1 silver on this team. On the attack. Of course, Payet, the only elite we got the whole time. This midfield's looking good. And this is gold. So we only got 1 silver. Because we already had Luis Neto. So, and is there another gold? Oh yeah, there's plenty of golds in there. Oh, yeah. Oh, that was a really bad pack opening. We only got the man himself, Dimitri Payet. That's the only guy we could get. And yeah, I'll be selling all those players and see how many coins I get. I'm not going to sell Dimitri Payet. Well, thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.